Hello and welcome. EagleView's CONNECTExplorer is a powerful and easy-to-use website that allows you to view and analyze pictometry's aerial imagery. For example, in CONNECTExplorer, you can search for a specific property in your area, access historical imagery of that location, and measure the buildings that exist on the property. In this video, you will find an introductory overview of these features and many more. For more detailed information, please watch our other training videos covering all the features you can find in CONNECTExplorer and many other EagleView products. CONNECTExplorer is a web-based application. All the imagery and GIS information you will encounter are stored in the cloud, meaning you never need to download or install any software. In fact, you only need to open a web browser and navigate to the web address, explorer.eagleview.com. From there, simply enter your login credentials and click the CONNECTExplorer button to access your local imagery and data. If you do not know your login credentials or are unsure if your organization has access to CONNECTExplorer, contact your local administrator or your local EagleView representative. After logging in, you will be taken to your local imagery. To pan, simply click and drag on the current image. In the upper left corner of the Explorer window, you'll find two more options for navigating. Click the arrows that surround the compass to access additional perspectives for your current location. To zoom in or out, click the plus and minus signs on the zoom slider, or you can zoom using the scroll wheel on your mouse. When was this image captured? At any time, you can see the capture date for the current image in the bottom left corner of the Explorer window. In many cases, you will have access to historical images as well. To view historical imagery, click the Dates menu and select a different capture date. You can also view two images side by side. Click the Dual Pane button in the bottom right corner of the Explorer window to enter Dual Pane mode. While in Dual Pane mode, you can rotate either image independently, which allows you to see the same location from two perspectives. If you have access to historical imagery, you can also select different capture dates, which allows you to easily see how a location has changed over time. To return to a single image, click the Dual Pane button once more. The upper right corner of the Explorer window includes several tools you can use to analyze imagery and access GIS information. The search bar, represented by the magnifying glass button, allows you to search for a specific location in your area. Depending on how your account has been configured by your local administrator, you may be able to search using various sets of information. To save and quickly return to any location in the future, you can add a bookmark. To do so, click the Bookmarks button in the toolbar, then simply click Bookmark this location, name the bookmark, and click Save. The GIS Layers button reveals any national and local data in the form of layers that you can view within the imagery. To view a layer, simply check the box next to the layer's name. Note that the availability of these layers depends on how your local administrator has configured your account. Moving to the right along the toolbar, click the Measure and Annotate button to access a wide array of measurement and annotation tools. You can use the measurement tools to measure things such as distance, area, and height without making a field visit. You can use the annotation tools to add visual elements, such as text and marker icons, to the imagery. For a comprehensive breakdown of each of these tools, please watch our series of training videos covering the measurement and annotation tools. The Identify tool allows you to request GIS information for a location or area by clicking on the imagery. For example, using the Point Identify tool, we can click on a single location in the imagery to find all available GIS information for that location. The Box, Line, and Polygon tools allow you to find GIS information for a larger area within the imagery. You can always export the results to a spreadsheet by clicking Options, Export Results. To export an image, click the Export Image button in the lower right corner of the Explorer window. The various options allow you to select the ideal format and size for the exported image. Note that an exported image will include any overlays and annotations, such as GIS layers, measurements, or Identify tool results, that are enabled. The last button in the toolbar reveals the Account Settings menu, where you can change your preferences and find additional support. One last feature to know about is the Workspace, which you can access on the far left side of the Explorer window. In the workspace, you can store, save, and share measurements and annotations. Workspaces are powerful and flexible tools that you can use in any number of ways, from saving simple building measurements to planning complex multi-stage work plans. Workspaces can be saved to your personal account, which allows you to access them in the future, and even share them with colleagues. As you can see, CONNECTExplorer offers an incredible amount of functionality in a sleek, intuitive, and user-friendly application. To learn more about the many features available in CONNECTExplorer, please watch our series of in-depth training videos, or contact the EagleView training team. Thanks for watching.